Hey, what's up guys, this is Satej. Realme teased that it will premiere the champion of smartphones, that is Realme 3i, as a budget option along with Realme X launch in India. So there will be at least 2 smartphones launched by Realme on July 15th. Realme India CEO Madhav Sheth hinted at the arrival of the new phone through a Twitter post on Monday. However, Flipkart on Tuesday confirmed that the upcoming model will be none other than the Realme 3i, as this will be cheaper variant of Realme 3 that was launched earlier this year. Thanks to Geekbench, it revealed some of the specs of this upcoming phone. The Realme 3i will be powered by an octa-core Helio P60 chipset, which is powerful enough for the ultra-budget segment smartphone. Along with that, 4GB of RAM, and it will run on Android 9 Pie. We also have leaks and rumors on design side of things that it will flaunt the diamond cut design, which is popularly found in Realme devices. It will be of 3D polycarbonate. We know that this phone will be cheaper, but there are no compromises on display, as it will come with an IPS LCD display with water drop notch, and from this image it looks like it will hold a large battery as well. On the rear side there will be dual camera setup, but don't expect 64 megapixel camera sensor that Realme is currently working on, as this sounds too good to be true, because there are rumors that Realme 3i will feature this sensor, but it sounds absurd. It could feature a 13+2 megapixel sensor and 8 megapixel for front facing camera. Currently there are no words on what kind of security it will feature, like a fingerprint sensor or face unlock or both, so we will have to wait for more leaks. Popular Indian tipster Ishan Agarwal has tweeted that the Realme 3i would be a Flipkart exclusive. He further stated that the Realme 3i's pricing would be surprising than the standard Realme 3. The Realme 3 was launched in India earlier this year for the price tag of Rs 8,999, and Realme 3i, being a light version of Realme 3, is expected to be priced even cheaper. So what are your guesses on the pricing? Do comment. I think it will be close to Rs 7,000. So you will be getting Helio P60, dual cameras, Android Pie, and still some things which we don't know yet. So are you interested? Tell me in the comments. So that's it for today guys. Until further leaks, stay subscribed and like this video. Peace out.